Alright, so we're back.
And we was bubbling. Yes,
with the two lovely young ladies. Right, so before we took the break, we were asking you all the positions you all played and why it is you all chose those positions to make up that integral thing called a team. That's right, a team, which is, you know, everybody doing their own part to make sure all they could win. So, starting with you, Yesenia. What position and why?
What position and why? I am a forward/midfielder. I guess I just like to score the goals.
Oh, you like spotlight and thing. Well, you're on the right station.
Yeah.
And I am the defense. I play defense all my life. It's probably because I didn't have much skill and I just used to knock people over.
Oh.
So it's like, you know.
No, she used to bulldoze people over. Like, she could literally walk over them. She's so
Y'all
terrible.
ever played for any other club?
No.
No.
It's like a lifetime commitment. It's like,
Yeah.
Okay.
I was born in green and white.
Is that production?
oh really?
Yes.
I think your mother would have
You're saying once a venture, always a venture. That's correct. As you say now, all you have. So when all you in room will be once a venture, always a venture. Once
look
a
like you
venture,
think
always
about
a venture.
That sounds like a good one. I could probably try and
No, that's copyright. That's copyright. Oh, don't pay me for that. Don't pay me for that.
Now, you see on the games and things these days, the crowd up there always look like a Pro League match.
Oh my God. Why you bad?
Yeah, it's true.
Why? Jesus.
It's true.
Ole, production, we had a sensor here.
No, seriously.
I think for the indoor, because our indoor facility is in the west, there's a lot more of a turnout that way because people going home down Wrighton Road could stop in my Woodbrook East facility and check out the game versus having to trek all the way to Tacarigua. If you go, usually games are on the weekend for outdoor in Tacarigua, so you have to make that commitment to say, make your pot of pillow, bring out your cooler, we up in Tacarigua for the whole day.
So people don't play on grass and things. No.
Ask for two.
That used to be fun because it's like you playing, the grass playing, the big stone playing, everybody.
Production to tell me we had to go.
We had to wrap it up.
Alright, so all I know, this is live on Wii Sports, and in case you're watching this at 5 o'clock, yes, there's a recording, so they don't call in until you see the previously recorded and thing because, you know, nobody will answer the phone. But we here Mondays and Wednesdays, 9 to 10 p.m. All you know the thing, and ladies, just tell those viewers out there bye-bye and thanks for watching. And you know what? We see all again Monday.
Monday, hey, we might have to say it, Philip.
Say, just name all your people in your family.
I don't name them already.
Alright. I had it in my